Made with rolled oats and coconut, these tea time crunchies will be the easiest biscuits you will ever make, with preparation time of 5 minutes and baking time of 15. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Let's get started. In this bowl, I've got a 1/4 pound of butter, and that is 125 grams of butter. To this, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of honey and then melt this over the stove or in the microwave. It should end up looking like this. Add in 3 tablespoons of sugar and beat this until the sugar is almost dissolved. Then add in 1 cup of oats, 1 cup of coconut, a 1/4 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and 4 tablespoons of flour. Mix this all together, and this is the crumbly texture of the dough that you will get. Taking a baking tray like so, this is about 15 by 20 centimeters. I'm going to lightly grease the tray with some cooking spray, then empty the contents of the bowl into the tray and flatten this out. Now bake this in an oven 150 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes. And here's how you will know when your biscuit is ready. The ends, or the edges rather, of the tray will be slightly browned. And immediately after I remove it from the oven, I actually like to add in some grated chocolate. And this will melt on its own over the biscuits. And while this is still hot, I like to shape and cut them. Now allow this to cool completely before removing them from the tray. These were so good that I had to make 2 more batches after this because it was wiped out. Enjoy the recipe and see you in the next vlog.